Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the VR ShineCon virtual reality glasses. As you can see, the packaging is pretty minimalistic on the outside. All we see is an image of the VR glasses on the top of the box and the name of the product on the top right. The name of the product is repeated on the sides as well, and that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material in the form of a user manual. This should help you understand the various functions of the device and help you get started off with using it. Next, we have a little cleaning cloth that can be used to clean either the lenses in this headset unit or the display of the smartphone. Coming to the virtual reality glasses, we can see that it is predominantly made from plastic and has a black color theme going forward. There's also some silver highlight running around the middle all the way around, and that breaks the monotony of the black. Up top, we have the VR ShineCon branding, and over here we have the opening to open the lid of the VR glasses. The lid is magnetic and has three magnets that lock it in place, with the counterparts being over here. On the lid, we have a smartphone holder which is extendable to hold a plethora of phone sizes. And once a phone is put in here, it will be nice and locked in place. Over here, we have the lenses, as you can see right here. And on top, we have the mechanisms that we can use to adjust the lenses. These two knobs over here will increase or decrease the distance of the smartphone from the lenses. This is how you can get a better look. And this wheel over here increases or decreases the distance between the two lenses. Coming to the area which touches the face, it has a thin layer of padding, and here we have the straps. All three straps are elastic and also adjustable in terms of their tightness thanks to buckles like this, which are present on all three of them. On the back, we have a leather like material. This is the part that basically sits on the back of the head. Over here, we can see the lenses that are on the side of the eyes. To get started with using the device, all we need to do is get the smartphone and start playing a VR video on it, and then attach it to this smartphone mounting point right here. One thing to make sure is uh, not to press the power or volume buttons as I have just done, so that it does not interrupt your video. Once it is nicely and tightly placed, just shut the lid and enjoy the VR experience. So this was the unboxing of the VR ShineCon virtual reality glasses. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.